Do you think this white car can pull these to huge logs? It seems that the wheels got stuck and were obstructed, causing the logs behind to fall over. With the sharp bend just ahead, the colossal truck, stacked high with long timber, navigated the tight, constricting road with precision. The driver must be very skilled, and there should always be another person in front, guiding the wheels little by little to ensure safety on dangerous roads. Look, there's the giant woodcutter in black. The tree is falling with thunderous, majestic echoes. Do you think this vehicle can pull the giant log behind it? Oh no! The vehicle is now driving on just 2 wheels instead of 4. The log behind is too heavy. Look, when this log is lowered, its width is even taller than he is. He is having quite a hard time trying to split the log in half, requiring strength and patience, because the log is so large and solid. This container truck is carrying long cargo containers behind it, kicking up a cloud of dust as it speeds across a river, leaving a thick trail of dust in the bright, glaring sunlight. As the vehicle crosses the river, the water splashes up, cooling the tires, helping the vehicle maintain traction and reducing the risk of skidding. Have you ever seen a vehicle as long as that? Once again, there's a giant tree with a black trunk. It seems he has cut it at the base to make it easier to fell. Now it's time to clear the tree from the roadside. Of course, the vehicles behind must stop to ensure everyone's safety. Transporting a massive log over muddy roads is truly not an easy task. From this, we can truly understand the challenges that loggers face in their work. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like it to give me more motivation to create daily content. After some assistance from the white vehicle, everything finally went more smoothly. How many people do you think it would take to wrap around this log completely? It's truly massive, making everyone feel small when standing next to it. This ship carries large trucks transporting logs across the river, creating a magnificent scene amidst nature. The trucks are loaded with long logs stacked high in their containers. It's fascinating to witness the seamless coordination between humans and machinery in this demanding work. Let's keep watching. How many log trucks do you think this ship can carry? With its massive size and powerful design, the ship certainly has the capacity to transport multiple trucks at once. Transporting logs without containers would make everyone concerned about safety. This vehicle is crossing a small stream, but the road is covered with uneven pebbles. It seems he has no choice but to keep rolling, accepting all the challenges along the way. Everyone is trying to fell an ancient banyan tree. Looking at the base, the deep cracks indicate that it has lived for many years. Its wide branches provide shade over a large area. Each soft stroke echoes in the quiet space, like a farewell to the tree that has witnessed countless changes over time. Perhaps the tree has endured many seasons of rain and shine, serving as a refuge for many birds and animals. It's quite difficult to bring down, so everyone needs the help of an excavator. With the power and precision of the machine, the task of felling the tree becomes much easier. Once again, there's a scene of a vehicle stuck deep in the mud, its wheels struggling in the thick sludge. Without another vehicle attaching a chain to pull it out, escaping this swamp would certainly be very difficult. The creaking sounds from the wheel system trying to maneuver fill the air, but the thick mud makes every effort futile. In the tense atmosphere, everyone standing around can't help but feel anxious. This is truly a lesson in cooperation and teamwork, as everyone works together to overcome the difficulties and escape from this challenging situation. Cutting and hauling logs are two essential processes in the timber industry, each requiring skill and care to ensure safety and efficiency. Nowadays, log hauling is often carried out using specialized trucks or heavy machinery like excavators. These vehicles are designed to transport heavy logs, helping to save time and effort. And of course, if the ground is too soft and the areas where the wheels need to move through are challenging, equipping the vehicle with chains is essential. Using chains will enhance traction, allowing the vehicle to navigate more easily through muddy and difficult terrain. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. We would love to hear your opinions and experiences on this topic. The logs are quickly cut into smaller pieces and loaded onto the truck. In just 1 minute, they are split into smaller sections, making the process very convenient. Woodworking at home is becoming an increasingly popular trend, providing people with the opportunity to be creative and enjoy their personal space. It's important to remember to ensure safety throughout the working process. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and always work in a well-ventilated space to protect your health. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, woodworking at home will surely provide you with enjoyable and meaningful moments. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. This will give us more motivation to create videos every day.